Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a milestone here in Zoho Projects, right? By the way, milestone is called faces right here under Zoho Projects. So first up, gotta go to projects right here. Select one of your projects where you wanted to add a milestone. Access it. There you go. Now in this tab right here at the top, you have faces. So just click on it. Now add a face right here at the top right, and just go ahead and add in the face name or the milestone name. Okay. Let's say sample milestone, like so. And once that's done, here we have the face information, the owner, maybe me. Okay, start date, end date, start date December 1, the end date would be December 31. Flag, internal or external, add in some tags if you want to. Okay, and once done, just click on add, and here you have your milestone. Okay, you can go ahead and click on view. Add in a task list right here, task 1, hit on enter, and there you have it. You have here the issues, release notes, comments, fields, chart view, status timeline, okay, and activity stream. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.